Video 12. Modifier steel grade. In the previous lesson, we learned how to create a list of 2D objects for quick presentation in drawings. And for today's lesson, we will create a list of input parameters for the steel grade used in each project. When you start a new project, you will need to create a steel grade table. You choose Default, and in the cross-section Catalog section, from the symbols in the title bar here, choose OK. A new dialog box is displayed. You can create a new list if you haven't a steel grade list yet with New button. And choose the type of single rebar or wire mesh to create. For example, you need to make rebar list. You will enter the category name, number, name of steel layer, symbol of steel layer, and yield strength, FYK. At the bottom of the list, enter your order number, comment, and diameter. For cross-section of the rebar bars and total per meter long. These values will be calculated automatically by the computer after you enter the diameter. Just like that, you complete this catalogue. Click OK. Or in the case you edit this catalogue with Edit button. You click one available catalogue, need adjustment, and select Edit. In particular, in cases where additional diameter, yield strength, or other specific gravity is required, for example, you need to add a 28mm diameter type. You select the empty area and enter the values here will be proposed correctly. Choose OK. You can also delete unnecessary catalogue or use an output file. Besides, we can save this catalogue or enter the available categories for computers. After making the necessary settings, select Close. Now we have the required steel grade list. We only need to use this list to draw the rebars only. We've created a catalogue for the type of rebar that will be used to reinforcement drawing in the project. In the next lesson, we will set some display properties with Option and Short key shortcut.